So we are talking about a thick glass slab or thick mirror, right? Thick mirror. This thick mirror is mirrored on one side. Let's say I am taking a point A. This is the one I want to see reflecting as well as refracting from a thick mirror. Alright? So what am I going to do? One ray falls here. The ray which falls perpendicular will, completely, that's not a problem. It will just simply reflect back. So we will take one at an angle. This is the first incident ray. Where will it go? Towards the normal. This is my glass slab. So it will get refracted or reflected. Little bit of it will get reflected. Little bit of, but maximum will get refracted. So this is refracted rays in blue. So it will bend towards the normal. Agree?
Yes. और अभी reflect ना?
Now this is a glass surface, mirrored surface or not? If this is mirrored, here 100% reflection will happen. But before that, with orange I am showing you reflected ray. There will be a partial reflection also that will happen or not here. This is my first reflected ray. This is my first refracted ray. Agree? Now, this is A1. This is the first image of A1 I'll see. Now again here I will draw a normal. What will happen here? Reflection or refraction? 100% reflection will happen or not? So reflection again I am showing by orange color. Now at this surface interface AB, what is happening? Refraction. Maximum refraction or maximum reflection? Maximum refraction and little bit of reflection. Reflection कैसे जाएगा? Reflection ऐसे जाएगा at same angle. And refraction कैसे जाएगा? Away from the normal. This is my A2. Now this will again get reflected or refracted? 100% reflected. है कि नहीं? 100% reflected. What will happen now? Maximum refraction or maximum reflection? Maximum refraction. This is my A3 and a little portion of it will get slowly this is becoming dimmer and dimmer or not? क्योंकि लाइट का एनर्जी इधर से जो शुरू हुआ था वो तो उतना ही था फिक्स्ड. Out of say 100% light at the source, 96% got refracted, 4% got reflected. Of that 96%, this 96% got 100 like पूरा 96% reflect हो गया. यहाँ पे no refraction. 96% reflect हो गया. उसमें से 96% का 96% got refracted. 96% का 4% got reflected. बचा कितना? 4%. जितना भी बचा 96 से कम बचा कि नहीं? Let's say 92% बचा अभी इस इंटरफेस के. 92% का 92% रिफ्लेक्ट हो गया. पूरा का पूरा रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ. 92% का 96% रिफ्रैक्ट हुआ और 92% का 4% रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ. धीरे धीरे इंटेंसिटी कम हो रहा है कि नहीं? अग्रीड, अंडरस्टूड.
तो कितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स एक्चुअली में दिखेगा अपने को?
मल्टीपल. We see and these are not going to be so far. They are going to be close to each other. That's why we see distorted.
Okay.
और the one which is going to be the absolute exterior में वही सबसे डिम होता है. तो शार्प से डिम हो जाता है. इसीलिए हम लोग का चेहरा दिखता है कि we were shaking. Something like that. So let's do two more. What will happen here? Now you tell me. 100% reflection of whatever percentage of light is left. 100% reflection हो गया. अभी इधर क्या होगा? 96% will get
refracted.
4% of whatever is left will get
Reflected.
Did you understand how to draw this?
Yes.
How many images are formed here? Multiple. Infinite images can form. Till depending on the intensity of the light. How many images will be formed? We can never tell. And we have to make sure that you have to be, like particular about the fact that they are at a distance. But in real life, they are very close to each other. That's why we can't see one face here, ऐसा नहीं, एकदम लग के आता है, एकदम एक दूसरे से लगा हुआ रहता है. But for the ease of understanding, we draw it at a distance. Now we come to the most important question. Ray diagram is done. Tell me which ray will be the strongest ray?
A1.
Wrong.
Ray.
Right. A1 will be the weakest. बता दे. A1 is what? Reflected ray.
लेकिन वो AB से रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है.
सुनो ना. Reflected ray है. From which interface? AB. AB is my interface. Tell me, this was 100% light. This is 96%. This is how much? Only 4%. So this will be the faintest. Why? Let's see. This is 4%. This is 96%. This light is also 96%. This orange first light. ये 96% से उसका 96% है. 96 का 96%. 96 and 96% will be around 94-95%. So can we say around 94%? This is the intensity, and this will be what? 4% of 96%. Must be around 2%, 3%, something like that. नहीं हो? समझ में आ रहा है? यहाँ से रिफ्रैक्शन सबसे ज्यादा होगा ना, और रिफ्लेक्शन कम होगा कि नहीं ये सरफेस से? समझ में आया? Refraction, यहाँ this A1 is a product of reflected ray, and reflection from optically transparent surfaces is minimum. Minimum होता है ना optical.
A3 क्या होगा?
A3 will start getting dimmer now. A3 will start getting dimmer and dimmer and dimmer slowly. But A1 is the faintest because that's a pure product of reflection through optically transparent surface. And reflection through optically transparent surface is minimum. समझा? समझ में आया? उसके बाद ये 94% है. उसमें से थोड़ा सा परसेंट देखो, ये यहाँ से भी एक सर्टेन परसेंटेज रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. उसके बाद ये यहाँ से 100% रिफ्लेक्ट हो गया. फिर उतना जो परसेंटेज रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ था उसी का सर्टेन परसेंटेज will get refracted ना. So it is getting fractionally reduced or not. That's why this question will come. A2 this is the faintest. You understood why A1 is the faintest and A2 is the brightest. Give reason आएगा ही आएगा. Draw करोगे, give reason भी. All your answers should be supported by ray diagrams. All your laws should be also supported by ray diagrams. If I don't see the ray diagrams, I will not look at your answers. Give reason 2 marks का हो, 1 marks का हो, diagram आपको draw करना ही है. इसीलिए diagrams keep it in practice so that you can draw it absolutely with ease. कभी सोच के करने जाओगे तो नहीं होगा. Without diagram, your answers won't be checked.
Yeah,
Clear?
incomplete है. ठीक है.
क्यों incomplete है?
नहीं ठीक है.
ठीक है. The only thing that is there in your textbook is इसका भी they are showing ये पीछे कैसे है. That has.
But it's not necessary.
It is really like you don't need to. If you place a like what you say, a paper or something here, then it can be projected. If you place a paper, कोई पेपर अगर हम लोग रखते हैं, क्योंकि देखेंगे कैसे हम लोग यहाँ पे पेपर. So if you keep a paper, ये लिख लेना ये A1 और A2. In your textbook it is given like this, so I will explain it like that only. Paper can be kept anywhere. So this is basically I am projecting this back. When I project this back, I will get image A1, which is the faintest or not. Then I get A2, which is brightest, and then I have A3, which is fainter than A2 but brighter than A1. Then I have ऐसे करके जितना प्रोजेक्ट करते रहोगे पीछे images बनते रहेंगे. It depends on where you are taking the image. Image will not be formed in air. You will have to put a plate. You will have to place a paper or something like that for the images to be seen. So if I place the paper like this, then my images will form here.
हम लोग उस साइड भी
If I keep a paper like this, then the images will form here.
उस साइड भी रख सकते हैं.
कहाँ भी रख सकते हैं. उस साइड कहाँ से जाएगा?
Not वो नीचे जो नीचे आ रहा है उसको
नहीं इधर रख सकते हो या इधर, और कोई रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं मिलेगा. Done?
मैम को एक समझा नहीं, मतलब A1 का 4% कैसे वर्क होता है बताओ.
See, this is 100% light.
हाँ.
This is how 96%, this is 4%. So this light is the faintest.
हाँ
ये 96% पूरा का पूरा रिफ्लेक्ट हो गया,
अच्छा ओके समझ गई
उसी का मैक्सिमम रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ.
हाँ समझ
ड्रॉ कर लो. दिस पोर्शन पार्ट, फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ओवर. नाउ वी विल